So A is Ayam, Buah, Keluak, which is this dish. It's a Peranakan dish. Peranakan means a mix of Chinese influences with Southeast Asian. So it's a lot of mix of spices and citrus tastes as well. It's made of chicken, but what's interesting is this nut here, which is the Buah Keluak nut, which comes from a tree from mangrove swamps of Indonesia. And the actual raw nut is poisonous, so it has to be fermented and gets boiled and prepared. And the inside's taken out, mixed with spices and chicken, and then shoved back inside. And it's very, very delicious. So this is Ayam, Buah, Keluak.
So a kun bakte, you can have a variety of bakute, which is a Chinese herbal soup. The name originally comes from Hokkien, which means pork rib tea. There's no actual tea in it. It's actually cooked in a broth made of lots of different types of spices, a lot of pepper, cloves, some garlic, a bit of soy sauce, but not much. This is there's a couple of varieties. The Hokkien one is a bit darker. We're having I think the Teochew variety, which is a bit lighter. Yeah, it's very popular in Singapore and in Malaysia as well. So let's try it. Oh, and you eat it with these deep-fried dough called youtiao, and you can dip it in the broth. So the meat has been cooked for hours in this broth, so it's very soft. Let's see if I can. Very good. There's a real strong peppery taste. It is quite a fatty dish, and that's the reason why it's called pork rib tea. Apparently, is that people used to have oolong tea with it, and the tea was there to kind of counter all the fat that you're having in the soup. But who cares? It's nice.
One of Singapore's specialities is here. This is carrot cake. There's two things you need to know about carrot cake. One is it's not a cake, and the other thing is there's no carrots in it. So it's made actually from white radish, which is sometimes known as white carrot, hence the name. So the radish is cooked and then chopped up into small pieces, and then cooked in a big wok, as you've seen, with garlic, eggs and spices, and there's two varieties. Sorry, this is sweeter, I think, and then this one is less soy sauce. So let's see what it tastes like. Oh, really good. It's like the world's best omelette. It's got really garlicky, eggy taste, but the balance with this white radish. We're going to try the dark version. Oh yeah. So that one's sweeter. It's not my stronger taste, but I actually prefer this one, the saltier, eggy one. D, Durian Chendol. Chendol is a very popular dessert here, and this one is made with durian fruit, which is famous for its taste and for its very pungent smell. But this one smells fine. How does it taste? It's like a kind of fruity custard, slightly cheesy custard with some fruit taste, but very nice. So it's like a sweet dessert with a big lump of ice at the bottom to keep it cold. If you like this channel, please like us, leave a comment and subscribe.